Now we're going to see the difference between these two Z01s custom Trobos and a ZR1 RST. Now the RST is coming in more at 67, while this one's coming in at 57. So you're saving about 10,000. And in the front, you can tell already, they both comes with hooks. This one has a more generic front end, while this one has a better front end. You come with the LED lights. You get the little LED hoop right there. While this one, you just get the basic front lights and the basic fog lights there. Well, just basic lights. It might be low beam, high beam, and this one actually comes with fog lights on the bottom and then your LED on top. Now this one comes with that extra little ram hood, while this one doesn't. Now this one comes with, you know, decent size tires and rims on there, while the Trobos comes with a little bit better tires, about the same rims. And this one comes with the side step right here. But besides that, we're looking at the models. You can tell they're pretty much the same mirrors right here. Now this one does have leather right here, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna look exactly the same inside. Just one's gonna have leather and one's not. Okay, this one's a lot more cheaper because this one doesn't have that full nice screen on there. As you can tell, on this one doesn't have the full screen, and this one has a bigger screen. That does make a big difference, especially when you're paying a lot for a vehicle. Like I said, this one's coming at 66,000, and this one's coming at 57,000. This one does come with the bed liner inside of it, the RST, and then this one, the Trobos, is coming in with no bed liner in there. But sitting to these cars right next to each other, the Trobos does have the Trobos package, so you're going to get a higher lift than the RST. You can see it right here. The Trobos looks a lot more higher, a lot more better, beefer than the RST. Now the back ends, if you come over here, they are pretty much identical back ends. They both dual exhaust, the hooks, side step. I mean, the lights are even pretty much the same. I mean, sometimes you at least get a little bit different of the lights, but no, they're exactly the same. Now, this one does comes with the leather and the bigger screen, while that one's cloth with the smaller screen. To me, the Trobos is a beast. It's gonna be ready for off-road, ready to take anywhere. The custom, but it's gonna have that small screen, and that to me could be a factor to a lot of people. You know, they're paying a lot and you get this little bitty screen, you know. And then this one, you're gonna get the new technology, the bigger screen, the RST, probably just a lot more sneaker because it's all black on black. But this would be a tough one. I don't know what I would go with these two. I would try to find a bridge between them both and try to see if I could get this package with that package, because I don't know, this is a nice truck, but I like to lift it on the Trobos. Now I did find this Trobos right next to that red one. Now this red one, this black one, is actually a lot more nicer, and this is for sure 57,000. I don't know for sure that one, it could be a little bit less, maybe 54. But I saw this one, I saw the price tag, and I thought they were the same truck, but it's not. This one, you get a little bit more here. You get the Turbo Max right here on the hood. That's pretty big right here. You get the Turbo Max on this one. You get the side steps right here on this one. And this one is clocking in at 57,000. If you want to compare this one to the RST, the RST is for sure at 67,000. And this one is the Trobos, but this one also is a lot more different because it does come with the bed liner on this one. Why, as the red one does not come with a bed liner. So to me, I would definitely pick this one all day. This one even just looks better. This one is even different than actually the RST and this one, custom Trobos, because this customized one actually comes with the trunk that pops out right here. You can see the indentation right here. So this one has a little bit more of a pop, different than the other two for sure. So, and this one's coming in at 57,000, while this one is coming in at 67,000. And like you could tell this one looks like a little baby truck. Consider this one looks like a trail boss. You know what I mean? That this is nice right here. So what would y'all pick? Leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.